Hi everyone, my name is Anushka Seth and I'm from Ambalika Institute of Management and Technology. Currently I'm in final year of BTech from Computer Science branch. So I was placed at Microsoft at the package of 21 lakhs. This journey has been very special to me because this college provided me with a lot of knowledge, and during this duration I did many trainings and internship in which this college supported me a lot. So getting to this position at Microsoft gives me a lot of bliss, and my parents and friends and this institution helped me a lot in achieving this position. I would like to thank Ambalika Institute and the placement department.
It's the highest package getter since we started. 21 lakh is phenomenal.
Ambalika Institute of Management and Technology.
Myself Jain, I am a student of final year from BTech. I have started my own company which is known as Pilo Pia, which is basically based on water supplying with a portable and on a very affordable price. When I taken admission in this college, some of few students who are studying in another college, they told me that if you want to do a business in the future, this college is not better for you. But when I came here, especially I would like to mention one name, Jay Pratap Dixit sir, which is my HOD, Head of Department of Information Technology branch. He supported me a lot since second year, because in first year every student is the same, but from second year you get into your core branch, that is information technology, my core branch, and I have done my academics on a very well, and I scored the highest marks in IT branch in my second year, both third and fourth semester. So I would like to mention these things. Without them, without the blessing of my parents, without the blessings, and especially the thing is that effort of my faculty member, especially JP sir and whoever taught me the each and every things of subjects and each all, they supported me a lot. All the faculty member, they treat you like your parents. You are not for them like a business or like a student. You are like their own children. Are the things which affect us a lot, which give us a lot of motivation and kind of a confidence which student always needed in their life to reach at this position. And I have taken along with me my batchmate Rishabh Singh. He is from CS branch. We have started our own company, and I would like to thank you, all of you, all the faculty members, all my family members and my friends.
Ambalika Institute of Management and Technology.
बच्चे के उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए बच्चे का एडमिशन इस संस्था में कराया था और बच्चे ने उस मुकाम को हासिल किया है, और आने वाले बच्चों को भी यही शुभकामनाएं दूंगा कि वो इसी तरह पढ़ के अपने माँ बाप का नाम रोशन करें.
Hello, my name is Vibhuti Mishra. I am a CSE final year student. I have completed my BTech with a good percentage of marks. I have been in top list, and with this great news I have been selected in 2 of the companies right now and have been shortlisted for many more companies right now. So my company name is Alpha Fortress. It is from Noida, and it offers me a package of 3 lakhs per annum. And the second company which I am placed in is Toppers, which gives me 7,20,000 per annum. And it has been a great journey in this college Ambalika, because it has enhanced all my abilities and all my things I have grasped through my school career. And it's a great opportunity for other people also, because it provides great platform for practical and technical knowledge. So hopes are for the future, and I wish all the other people, all the juniors who are going through this phase, I wish them all the best.
मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि इस मुकाम पे आज मेरी बेटी बैठी है और इतनी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी उसको मिली है, और मैं आगे भी यही उम्मीद करती हूँ कि और बच्चों को और अच्छा भविष्य बनेगा.
Discover the fun in engineering at Ambalika Institute of Management and Technology.